Hello everyone, this is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about the data path design for executing an instruction. So, this session covers that what is data path, what are the what are the main components for designing a data path, and how the ALU instruction is executed, and what are the total components, how the data path designed for a single instruction. So let us move on. The first one is data path. So data path is a collection of functional unit that is organized in a manner to execute an instruction. It comprises of arithmetic logical unit, buses, multipliers, registers. So all these components are used to perform data processing operations. So for execute an instruction, not only the data path is designed, also it requires as control signals. So along with the control unit, it composes the central processing unit. And let us next we move on to the main components of data path. So these are the main components, that is registers, instruction memory, data memory, register file, program counter, multiplexer, sign exchange, address bus, and data bus. These are the major components for designing a data path for executing an instruction. First we'll discuss the register file. So the register file is a unit that contains a 32-bit general purpose registers. First we should know what is the register, what is the purpose of register. So registers are a smallest memory unit that is available inside the processor, which is used for temporary storage. So any register can be read or written by specifying the register number. So for example, R0, R1, R2, R3, these are the some register numbers. The register file has two 5-bit inputs that specifies the numbers of the register to be read. The register file can be read or output the two register at the same time. And the next one is and the next components are program counter. So the program counters are used as a memory pointer that is used to hold the address of the next instruction to be executed. And data memory which is used to store the data required for executing an instruction. And ALU which executes arithmetic and logical, which performs arithmetic and logical function. And data memory and the adder which is used to increase the address of the PC. So these are the functions of the main components. And the first stage is instruction fetch. So for executing an instruction, it is divided into 5 stages. The first one is fetching the instruction, that is all the instructions are stored in a instruction memory and all the data are stored in a data memory. First we have to fetch the data from the memory, and then it is sent to the ALU unit. After executing the instruction in the ALU unit, the result is returned back to the registers. So these are the main operation to execute an instruction. So it is divided into 5 stages, that is fetching the instruction, instruction decode, and ALU operation. And the fourth stage is load and store operation in data memory. And the last stage is registerize, that is after executing the instruction, the result is written back to the register. So initially all the data are stored in the data memory, and the registers are used for temporary storage. And finally also the registers are used to store the result. So the first stage is instruction fetch. So for fetching the instruction, 3 main components are required, that is PC, program counter, and instruction memory and adder. So the address from the PC goes to the instruction memory, which returns the instruction. Then the PC goes to an adder which adds 4 to get the next value of the PC. So it is a separate adder dedicated to uploading the PC. So this is the first stage of an instruction execution, and this data path is used to perform arithmetic and logical unit. So this unit consists instruction fetch and decode and execute stage. So for instruction fetch, the main components are PC, register file, and instruction memory, and for decoding, register files are required, ALU, and for executing operation, data memory is needed. So these are the main components for the arithmetic and logical unit, and this is the data path for executing a single instruction. Here the instruction fetch unit is PC, instruction memory, and register file, ALU unit, and multiplexers. So multiplexers are used one output from many inputs, and the final stage is data memory. So all the after executing an instruction, the data are written back to the registers, and the data are searched from the data memory. Here also the multiplexer is used. So this is this single data path for executing an instruction. So I hope that you can understand the how the data path is designed for executing a single instruction. Thank you.